Promotion right, increment right, you're always the last.
So, Masako, I have this friend, right, who's been living in this house for quite a while, and she's been feeling like, she's hitting a roadblock in her career. So, what do you think is happening there?
If you ask me right, in a feng shui aspect right, probably she might have a missing northeast sector. Because the northeast sector right, in feng shui right, actually represents career. It also represents platform for you to go a step higher. So if you're staying in a house right, you always find that your career is very challenging. Promotion right, increment right, you're always the last. Probably right, your northeast is a missing corner. So if you want to find out more about house selection right, do click on the link below and find us. I'm Master Guo.
I'm Master Shalin, and we'll see you soon.
Bye. Always remember, a professional feng shui master will not ask you to purchase any feng shui items.